Let's say that, like me, you're an idiot and you've managed to leave your key inside of your Mercedes with an electronic door handle, and it's gone to sleep and recessed the door handles. You are going to get yourself a little plastic wedge or a spludger if you are into electronics repair, and you're going to need yourself a microfiber towel so you don't scratch anything, and you're just going to insert here at the end, pull out, and release the door handle, and then you can open. That's it. Don't make my mistake. And if you need a ceramic coating or a paint correction, you can contact us at 847-713-1900 or visit theceramiccoatingguys.com.